Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the default search engine in the Samsung Internet browser. Whether you prefer using Google, Bing, or another search engine, this simple process will help you customize your browsing experience. Let's get started. Open the Samsung Internet browser. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the browser's menu. From there, scroll down and click on icon Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Search Engine option. Tap on it. You will now see a list of available search engines. By default, Samsung Internet uses Google, but you can change this by selecting another search engine from the list. Tap on the one you prefer, such as DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or any other option that's available. Once you've selected your new search engine, you're all set. You can go back to your browser, and now all your searches will be performed using your chosen search engine. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search engine in the Samsung Internet browser. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.